So the new exhaust comes in a couple pieces, a little weight to it. Let's show you the old one. This is the old one. Light as a feather. Oh, yeah, side by side comparison. This thing's pretty light though. It's pretty easy to install one of these. It's gonna make a video, but pretty pointless. But this is the old one. It's the new one, pretty thick. It's very thick, actually. Where's the opening? Here you go. Start openings. The new one, the old one. Yeah, clearly see the difference. But the muffler is huge. This old muffler is heavy. That's some weight to it. That's the old muffler. This new old box. Doors, things. But this thing is massive. Yeah. It's a big difference. But it's like 3 bolts. Get your little exhaust hanger tool. That's all of ours. I was on Mercado. Amazon probably be the quickest. It's gonna come in handy. Cause the back one was a hassle. Or WD-40 it and let it sit there for like 30 minutes to an hour. I took the muffler came off when it first came. The muffler is, I believe it was like two hangers on each side, and loosen the hanger clip. Is this still one here? Yeah. Unloosen that, and then comes right off. This on now. I'm gonna let you hear how it sound. This is like two bolts that put the clamps. Probably one of the easiest exhausts I may have ever put on. Not gonna lie. All right, I'll be back when